Hey guys, I'm Andre from Elektronicbox, greets from Northern Germany. In this little clip I want to show you the programming of our electronic boxes. For this example we're using the D box and I mounted it in this little display just to show you how easy the programming is. For the programming of your electronic box you need this chart you can find in the manual. Very important is you have to go through every step that's mentioned in this chart. For example, by the D box it's 8 steps. And just when you have made 8 decisions for programming, the box will save this permanently. Also when turning off the battery or replacing the battery, for example. And now let's start with the programming. It's very easy. You got the ignition off, press the horn button and turn the ignition on, then leave the horn button and the turn lights will light up for one time. That tells you that you're in the programming mode. And now you take in this chart and make your decisions for every step. The first step we can decide whether we want to have the show flashing on or off. I want to have it on, so I press the turn right button. The turn lights light up for 2 times and that tells me I'm in the second step of the programming mode. And now I can make my decisions for every step of the programming, just by using the buttons for turn right or turn left. And if I have made all my decisions, in every step the turn lights will light off for the times for the manual, and if I have made all my decisions and reach point 8 of the menu, then the box will turn into the normal using mode and you can have fun with your new electronic box. That's all, folks.